worldwide scenario of stone care chemicals industry has changed drastically over the years. Arduous requirements of varied nature paved ways for many companies to emerge above the horizon. But a few are able to mark their sustainable presence in the international market. Marble Magic Corporation is one of them. It was the visionary idea of Mr. Mittal Patel and Mr. Pramod Salunke that jointly took its first flight of success in the wide sky of stone care solution in 2006.
It was a vision of Make in India which was forecasted ahead of its time. Our vision is to explore the leisure travel road of stone care industries and cater to international markets with exclusive green and biodegradable products.
We want our company to be amongst the leading producer and supplier of trustworthy products to our domestic as well as international customers.
In 2008, Marble Magic Corporation put its first step in the Indian market with a few distributors. Over the years, the constant research and analysis helped MMC to expand its network to more than 125 distributors nationwide. 2013 was the year of debut of MMC into international market. Beginning with export to 5 countries, at present MMC has spread its wings over more than 13 countries. The span of limited stone care solutions has widened up to more than 100 diversified products ranging from stone care chemicals, adhesives, polishing pads, construction chemical supplements and much more. Innovation has been the key factor behind the success story of MMC since its inception, and in 2017, the same legacy was carried forward with the idea of Magic Shoppe, the first of its kind of dedicated showroom designed to market the full range of MMC products. 2019, besides its main warehouse situated along with its manufacturing unit in Surat, Gujarat, 2 additional warehouses were set up at Delhi and Bengaluru to facilitate the distributors with ease of logistics and handling process across northern and southern regions of India.
We are proud to gain our customers' faith by delivering premium stone care products along with after-sales services over the years. Our mission is to revolutionize the stone chemical industry with innovative green biodegradable products.
MMC is preparing to expand the distribution network to 500 marks in coming future to grow towards becoming India's most preferred and loved stone care solution brand.
Altogether, we take pride in being the Indian company, strengthening the objective of Make in India initiative, which is helping to develop the nation on a global scale. Being a vocal for local, our dream is to be the leading company in stone care solutions.
Marble Magic Corporation, a stone care solution.